I'm going to show skin whitening tomato facial. First step, cleanser. To further preparation, first you have to take 1 tomato and raw milk. So with this two, I will show you the now process how to do the facial pack. So first of all, I have to take 1 glass of raw milk and 1 tomato. So you will cut into 2 pieces. Take 1 bowl, 1 empty bowl. You just do smash like this with your hand. Actually this will get 1 tablespoon of tomato smash, and take 1 tablespoon of raw milk. Only 1 tablespoon, and again you have to do like this. It will become like this. Take some cotton, and you have to take some cotton. You have to spread it like this completely, and take 1 cotton ball and clean your skin with the tomato and a milk. We have lot of benefits in a natural going. In the milk we have a vitamin and nutrients. With the help of tomato, get nourished and a lightening. You have to do like this to your hand completely. So you have to spread it this to your hands completely wherever you have this. Now see my hand guys, how different and how shining and how lightening my hands. After 15, you have to just wait up to this until 15 minutes. After that you will just wash with the water to your face. Okay, now see how the difference in my hand. Now step 2, take an empty bowl, 1 spoon of basin. Take 1 spoon of basin, and now you have to take 1 spoon of sugar. Okay, and you have to spread it very well. Take 1 tomato and cut it into 2 pieces, and take 1 piece with that. And you have to mix it. Now gently you have to take this. So spread in this and dip in that, take in this, and after that you can scrub your hand until 5 minutes. Scrub your skin. With this, remove your dead skin. It's a help to remove your dead skins and will get soft and supple, glowing your skin. Scrub it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can wash your hand. So scrub it until 5 minutes. If you want more, you can take. You have to tap in that, and you can scrub again. If with the help of this scrubbing, you will just remove the blackheads and whiteheads on your face and on your nose. And it's remove your tan wherever you have a tan and you have a dark spots and a dark particles on your face. It will remove very gently and very easily. With this, you will not get any side effects, and it is very good to your skin. Tomato is very good for your health and good for your skin. It helps to remove the tan and dark scales. Okay, after doing the scrub, you have to just wash your hand. Now see the differences guys, how shining and how glowing, how supple to my hand. So with this we have a lot of benefits with this. So daily twice, you have to do once in a day. So it's very good. If you like this video, please subscribe, like to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.